Kotlin extension function. Suppose we need to extend a class with new functionality. Commonly, we need to derive a new class or use some kind of design pattern to do this. So let us suppose I want to add some more methods to a pre-existing class. So it is our common practice to inherit the class to the subclass, and in the subclass we can go on adding some new methods. But that can be done in a special way in Kotlin. But in Kotlin we can also use extension function to extend a class with new functionality. Basically, an extension function is a member function of that class, and this member function is defined outside of the class. As example, we require to add a method to the string class that returns a new string after truncating first and last n number of characters, as this method is not already available in our string class. So we can use extension function to accomplish this task. We know our string class earlier, so there is no function in the string class which will truncate the first n number of characters and last n number of characters from the respective given string. So here we want to add that functionality to the string class, so that can be done using this extension function. So here you can find the respective code. So string dot delete n first last char, there is the name of the function. N has been passed as input argument and it returns a truncated string, and this is the respective body. So from the main function, if we pass this extension function as input argument to this, so val result my string dot delete n first last char 2. So here this is my string. So from here I have called this respective method. So I want to eliminate first two and last two characters of this given string, so the result will be obtained accordingly. So let us go for one practical demonstration to show you that how this code is getting executed and how the outputs are getting obtained. So here is the demonstration for you. Here my class has been defined with this method as one of the members. So from the main function, this my class object has got created, and from that object dot we are accessing that method. So this code is quite obvious, and if we execute this one, then my function has been called, the corresponding line has got printed because I called this my function which is having that body. Now what is a companion object? So here you see within this my class I'm defining one object using this companion object. Here this object name is optional, you may or may not give, and here this my function is there with the respective body. So here I can access in this way my class dot my function, I can directly access without defining any object within the main function. So let me execute the code here, and here you can see that this my function can easily be called in this way. So if I omit this my test, then also the code will get executed, because the name was optional there. In this way we can create objects of a class using companion object. Thanks for watching this video.